Hi guys, dinner time na. Ayan, tinolang manok, favorite ng aking mga boys. Sigurado ang kain nito ni Jacob, marami na naman. Diba Jacob? Ayan no? Very good si Jacob. Basta tinolang manok na may malunggay. Malunggay, Favorite mo na Jacob, no? Yeah, I know. Dami niyan kanina. Yan na lang ang natira, guys. Favorite ni Jacob ang malunggay talaga.
How about Kuya?
Kuya man? Okay. Very good man si Kuya. Hi, Koy. Yummy. Yeah, go na dali na, oh. Mas mabilis si Jacob kumain sa'yo.
How about me? Moo.
Dali na. Oh.
Moo.
Big bite na si Jacob, oh. Grabe. Very good si Jacob, ba?
Is it hot or warm?
Not hot anymore, right, Jacob?
I'm eating hot food.
Favorite malunggay. Let's eat, guys.
Eat, guys. Guys.
Let's eat, guys.
How about me?
Guys, oh, boss na ni Jacob. Very good si Jacob. Very good si Jacob. Very good. Very good na. Dahil very good na, may premyo, oh. Ayan. Ayan ang premyo. Dahil very good na, no? Almost done naman si Kuya. Very good, guys. Good job. Jacob, pagkatapos magtinola ni Jacob, popcorn. Mukbang ng popcorn si Jacob at Kuya. Ha? While watching Blippi. Yeah. Maganda ditong Blippi kasi ano din siya, educational show. Ayan. Ito yung popcorn na ilalagay mo lang sa microwave, guys. Yummy, Jacob? Yummy popcorn? Yeah? Yummy.